Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing a loaded buffalo chicken casserole. So here I am cubing up the potatoes and putting them into a casserole dish. Next, I am chopping up some green onions and I'll be putting these on a plate to put off to the side to use later in the recipe. Now I am chopping up some bacon. This will be cooked in a frying pan and also used later in the recipe on top of the casserole. And finally, I am cubing up some thawed out chicken. I'll be putting this right into the casserole dish as well with the potatoes. So now I'm adding some Frank's Red Hot sauce. Obviously you can add as little or as much as you want. Some extra virgin olive oil, cracked pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Mrs. Dash, some parsley, as well as some Italian seasoning, and then I'll be tossing it all together. This will now go in the oven for about an hour at 425 or until the chicken and potatoes are fully cooked. While those are cooking and the bacon is on the stove, I'm going to grate up some cheese for the topping. Once the chicken and potatoes are fully cooked, I'm going to add in the toppings. So I like to put some of it on here like this and then mix it in and then put the rest right on top. And now just pop that back in the oven for the cheese to melt. Thanks so much for watching everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!